How to find a forgotten username on X. If you've forgotten your Twitter username, I'm going to show you a few ways to recover it. First, the easiest method is to click on Forgot Password at the bottom left-hand corner. You can then enter either your email address or phone number and press Next. It may give you the option to enter your password to regain access to your account. If that doesn't work, you can always click Forgot Password and follow the recovery steps. Now, if that method doesn't work, here's another way. On your phone, open the Passwords app using the search bar. Then, in the search box at the bottom, type Twitter and select X right at the top. You should see your Twitter username. This is another way to recover a forgotten username. There's also one more method. Open the email account linked to your Twitter. Use the search bar in your email and type Twitter. If you have any emails from Twitter or X, open them, and you should be able to find your username there as well.